Good Thursday morning, and thanks for logging on to TDSweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Indiana forecast for today. Out there this morning, we have temperatures that are into the upper 30s to middle 40s across the area. Still seeing some isolated to widely scattered rain showers across the state. The greatest coverage back down closer to the Ohio River. And as we work on through the morning hours, we'll see a few isolated showers out there. Probably going to be focused more into eastern portions of the state today for any more kind of widespread coverage of the rainfall, especially by later this morning. So as we get into 7, 8, 9 o'clock this morning, we'll see some of those isolated to widely scattered showers across central and southern Indiana. But I do think into 9, 10, 11 a.m., a lot of your rainfall is going to be into eastern portions of the state, or focused into eastern portions of the state, out there closer to the Ohio-Indiana state line. Still some showers, though, back out into the west of there, out into Indianapolis, Fishers, back up towards places like Anderson and Muncie. And then as you go on into noon, 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, you can still see the majority of that rainfall focused into far eastern portions of the state there, while drier conditions are in place across central portions or interior portions of Indiana. We will see more sunshine today out into the western half of the state. That sunshine will creep in late in the day, probably after 3 to 4 p.m. across interior and eastern portions of Indiana, and we'll see a little bit of that before sunset. And then as you work in through the evening and overnight, clouds will start to increase once again across the forecast area. Now, overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, still expecting dry conditions as we work into the pre-dawn and dawn hours tomorrow. Maybe a few lake effect rain showers back up towards Elkhart, Goshen, back out maybe as far southeast as Fort Wayne, and then out towards Angola. And as you work on into 10, 11 a.m. and noon, we'll just see those showers coming to an end. The rest of us tomorrow are dry. In fact, skies will clear out tomorrow morning, and we'll end up with quite a bit of sunshine here across the state for your Friday. And as we continue on into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, any kind of showers tomorrow still focus back up towards the Michigan-Indiana state line late afternoon into the evening. As you go through the evening and overnight tomorrow night, dry conditions expected across the forecast area here. And we'll continue that with our on in through Saturday morning into midday. Now, Saturday afternoon, can't totally rule out a sprinkle late afternoon into the evening. This is 7 to 8 o'clock, especially across the central and southern portions of the state. If we would see a sprinkle or a shower, it would be very, very light. Less than 1/10 of an inch would be expected Saturday late afternoon into the evening. And then Saturday night on into Sunday, dry weather will be in place here across the area. Rainfall amounts today, far eastern portions of the state could see a couple tenths, maybe 1/4 of an inch of rainfall locally. The rest of us less than 1/10 of an inch. So we're not going to see anything real heavy across the state today. Highs will be into the low to mid 50s across eastern portions of the state, middle to upper 50s out to the west. Winds will be a little bit breezy, coming in from the north at 14 to 18 miles per hour, gusting to 30. And then overnight tonight into tomorrow morning will drop into the low to mid 40s, and then highs on Friday will be into the lower 50s up to the north. The rest of us generally into the middle to upper 50s. And then we take a look at the next 7 days for Indianapolis: 56 today, 57 tomorrow, 53 on Saturday with just a slight chance of a late afternoon evening shower or sprinkle, 56 on Sunday, back to 60 on Monday, 59 Tuesday, and 63 on Wednesday with more sunshine on into next week. That's all I have for you this morning. Thanks for logging on. Have a great day.